it's a big thing about not wasting our resources, and so that we're using them efficiently, and there are plenty of resources left for the next generation.
Being a good steward of the land, whether you are an agency and making sure that certain laws were met, or whether you were scientists and using nature's genius to move forward in life, that we have an obligation to do that.
This president has said, you're going to use sustainable business practices. Every business practice can have a method of sustainability.
We are now starting to look at sustainability as something that's very important for us in our day-to-day business life, not because it's cool to be sustainable, but because it makes good business sense.
We're seeing that green jobs are becoming part of our tourism industry.
It's becoming the price to play. It's becoming the card that you have to carry in order to be successful.
The Institute for Sustainable Practice was started in the fall of 2007 by President Randy Lowry, as he stated, to meet the needs of the world.
Science and spirituality, stewardship, all fit hand in glove.
It's indicative of the rising awareness by average people in non-environmental professions that they have a role to play.
I was the corporate social responsibility manager for M&M Mars, the second largest private company in the world, and realized that I needed some better business expertise to really excel at bringing sustainability to such a large company.
What appealed to me for this project is Nissan coming out with the Leaf here. They're focusing more and more on the sustainability aspects. And I just wanted to, compliment that.
Lipscomb is at the forefront of trying to develop just those programs and attract those students who are looking for that opportunity to put their ethics and their interest in sustainability into practice throughout their whole career.
We already network our students with business people from around the community throughout our classes, but to actually then engage them with those businesses in solving their problems and challenges.
So you get to take sustainability and application and actually apply it. So not necessarily, you learn the what, but then you also learn the how, which is critical.
The intelligence of this, not to mention the business case it makes for saving money, is just, without parallel.
Engineering, industrial design, architecture, biology, business. So if you have a footing in all of those disciplines, as well as training in biomimicry, you're going to be a great leader in terms of moving biomimicry forward within a company, and also being able to get multiple stakeholders on board towards achieving the same sustainability goals.
Knowledge of sustainability, particularly as it relates to something like the Lipscomb program, where you've got an MBA degree, where you're looking at the business case, is going to be more and more valuable.
We anticipate, that our students will not all be CEOs, or will not all be, political figures like governors or presidents, but that they will be significant change makers wherever they land. We expect them to pursue success at all levels that creates positive change for a world that is truly prosperous.